Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Use of curved and straight lines. Hey children, do you know that curved and straight lines are used to draw different diagrams? Like rangoli or some designs. Without these curved and straight lines, we cannot draw anything. Now you will surely ask me for some examples. So here are the examples. You must have seen the rangoli, which we draw on the festivals. In this rangoli, the curved lines are used like this. Now if you notice these curtain frills, there are some beautiful designs on them. They are made with the help of curved and straight lines. Have you noticed this beautiful design? Here curved lines are used everywhere in these flowers, leaves. Now you must have understood the use of curved and straight lines. In the rangoli below, trace the curved lines in blue and straight lines in red. Now if you notice the first rangoli, let us find the curved lines first. Here in the center, do you notice the curved lines? Let us color them blue. Rest all are straight lines, so let us color them red. Superb! Now let us see the second rangoli pattern. In the smaller rangoli, if you notice the center, you will find curved lines. Color them blue. Rest are straight lines. Should be in red. Now in the next rangoli too, if you notice the center, there are these lines which are curved. That should be in blue. The rest are straight lines. So this should be in red.